Okay, guys, we are here at one of our properties. It's we're having a problem with the tub and the commode backing up. Joe, lock that, please. So we're here at one of our properties. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Got my brother and my contractor out here. Joe, can you just text her, let her know we out here? Cause I don't want her to hear it. Anyway, it's early in the morning. Guys, my brother got an attitude. Can you mind, Ron?
Are you on it?
Yeah, but it's not live.
Oh, I was gonna just. I know you like to.
Oh yeah.
Just so if you on record, usually when if you get a client call, you said that both the toilets are clogged and the water's coming back up in the tub. It's the main line. That's outside, not in the house. You ain't gotta worry about running in the house. Most of our units should have a clean out. Some of them don't. This is your clean out right here. And it feeds down to your main service line underneath the house. Now it's going to be messy. I always keep my gloves on. Oh, you already knocked on the door. Yeah. Yeah, I've been waiting on you guys. Yeah.
Damn.
Damn. All that water that's in the house is coming out now.
Is that feces?
Yeah. That's everything that's in the house is now coming out. Do you have to turn the water off first? No. This is your drain line. This is not your water line.
And by you just taking that cap off of there?
That's everything that's in the tub and the stuff that's coming out. That's all it is.
Damn, that stinks.
But the line's still full. Where's the water line at? The water line is the same spot as the sewer line in the middle of the house. I already crawled under there. You didn't have to do nothing underneath it. This problem is right here.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's stinks.
Guys, it's quite a little smelly treat out here.
Yeah.
Oh, she already put the plug out there for you to.
Yeah, I get it. Normally, I would use a bigger snake, but in a mobile home, you're not going to have too much of a mess. So this is a 1/2-inch line. Typically, when you get a sewer line clog up, you want to use a 3/4-inch line because it's stronger, because you never know what's in it. But if on a mobile home, you're going to have toilet paper, something got caught in a turn. This thing on the cord. These things will take your hands off. So, if anybody's watching and want to try this yourself, please always wear gloves. Because it'll grab your glove before it'll grab your hand. you want to know if can you hear the water running?
Yeah.
It's clear. You hear the water flowing down.
Yeah, I could hear it. Good morning. Good morning.
Flush the toilet a couple times for me, please. Just flush. Then you have them a couple times. And turn the bathtub on. And turn the bathtub on. I want as much as water going down the drain as possible. It's clear because you can hear the water flowing down the drain. It was just a simple clog. Usually, you're not going to get too much of a big clog in the mobiles. Unlike a house. My biggest concern is all these trees we have here. A good chance that the root might get inside the line. That's the reason why I picked that one that when we was in the store. And I took a root eater. That tip to each root set.
So Ron, this machine costs about how much if you were to buy it?
About
$700.
$700.
Okay. Go ahead. How you doing this morning? That's good. Okay, guys, so that was one of our Section 8 tenants. This mobile home, we only paid $16,200 for this particular mobile home. It is a 2005. It's totally paid for. This is our second tenant that we had in this home.